Hi everyone and Merry Christmas. If this is your first time here, welcome to Belinda's DIYs. So today I'm going to be creating some more Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs for you. I can't wait to show you what I have in store for you. So if you want to see what I put together with Dollar Tree items, please keep watching. Before that we get started, I'm just going to ask that if you can please consider to subscribe to my channel. In my channel, you're going to see a lot of easy and affordable DIYs for your home and also seasonal. So if this is something that appeals to you, then please subscribe and also hit that bell icon, right there in the corner so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. For the first DIY, I'm going to be using these 3 Beware signs from Dollar Tree. If your Dollar Tree doesn't have the Beware signs anymore, you can use these as well. These would work for this project that I'm about to show you. I'll also be using 3 of these bell ornaments from Dollar Tree, some ribbon, Waverly chalk paint in the color white, some acrylic paints in the color bright red, spice carrot, and lemon. Some stencils, and these are about 3 inches long. You can also use these stencils from Dollar Tree. Okay, so for this DIY with these Beware signs, I'm going to turn them around to the back side, and that's where I'm going to be putting all the paint and all the decor. What I plan to make with these are candles. So I've placed my signs side by side each other, and as you can see, they're all the same height. So what I want to do is shorten them, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm just measuring how much I want to cut off from each of the Beware signs. One of them I'm going to cut 4 inches. And then for the other one, I'm going to cut 8 inches. And then for this one, I just want to square it off, and I'm going to cut right underneath where those 2 little holes are. And this is how they look now that I've cut them. As you can see, now they all have different sizes. I went from large to small. Since I'm going to make some candles out of these, what I need now is to make the flames. And what I'm going to draw out here is just a shape of a flame, and I'm going to be using the foam board for that. And so here I've marked off more or less where the center of the flame would be on my candle stand. And it's approximately 4 inches wide. And so now I'm ready to draw out a cone shape, and that's going to be my flame. And this is how it turned out. So in total, I'll have 3 of them, 1 for each of my stands. The next thing that I'm going to do is paint all my boards, and I'll be using the red acrylic paint. And now that they're all painted, I'm going to let these dry for a few hours. Next, I'm going to paint my make-believe flames, and I'm going to start with the color yellow. I didn't know exactly how to paint some candle flames, but I googled some pictures and this is what I found. So I started by brushing on some orange paint all around the edges and also in the center. I tried to use the dry brush technique. And this is how my first candle flame turned out. And now I'm done with all 3 candle flames, and they're all a little bit different but kind of look the same. I'll also be painting these other 2. For my tallest board, I'm going to be stenciling in the word peace using some white paint. And for the next board, I stenciled in the word love. And for the 3rd board, the smallest one, I stenciled in the word joy. Next, I hot glued the candle flame to my candle. Next, I created a simple bow and I hot glued it onto the candle. And then lastly, I added the ornament bell. I'll be adding the same items to the other two boards. For the second DIY, I'll be using these two Dollar Tree dish towels, some cotton from an old pillow, some of these white pom-poms from these Dollar Tree pom-pom packet. For the first dish towel, what I want to do is create a tube pillow. So what I'm going to do is fold the dish towel in half long ways, and then I'm going to add some hot glue along the edge as I'm showing you there. I won't be hot gluing one end because that's where I'm going to turn it inside out. Next, I'm going to stuff it with some cotton. Next, I'm going to close up the opening using some hot glue. And my tube pillow is complete. For the second pillow, I'm going to be folding the washcloth in half with both right sides facing each other. And then I'm going to hot glue the edges, and I'll leave a small opening so that I can turn my pillow back inside out. Once I'm done hot gluing, I am going to cut the excess cloth. And then I'm going to follow the same steps as I did to the other pillow. For this square pillow, I'm going to frame it with some white pom-poms. These turned out to be such cute accent Christmas pillows. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.